Now, eighth problem. A boat has to cross a river. It crosses the river by making an angle of 60 degree with the bank of the river due to the stream of the river and travels a distance of 600 meter to reach the another side of the river. What is the width of the river? So question, now diagram. So this is the river. Here boat starts here, reaches the another side of the river. This is the ending point of the another side of the river. Now angle of elevation 60 degrees and distance travelled 600 meter from this edge to that edge. Width of the river be x meter. So this is x. You have to find out x. So from figure, sine 60 degrees equals to opposite by hypotenuse, right? So what is the value of sine 60? Root 3 by 2, that equal to x by 600. Here also, now from this, x equal to 600 root 3 by 2, right? Now 2 1 the 2 3 the 2 0 the 2 0 the x equal to 300 root 3 meter. So therefore the width of the river equals to 300 root 3 meter. So this is the eighth solution. Okay. Now an observer of height 1.8 meter is 132 meter away from a palm tree. The angle of elevation of the top of the tree from his eyes is 45 degree. What is the height of the palm tree? Here actually, so this is the height of the person, 1.8 meter. Now he away from the top of palm tree, actually this is the height of the palm tree. Here this is also base, 13.2 meter away from the palm tree. That person standing 13.2 meter away means up from this distance. He observed the top of the palm tree, the angle of 45 degree. Now this is also 1.8 meter. So what is the remaining height of the palm tree be? X. Solution, given that here height of the person equals to 1.8 meter. Now distance between foot of palm tree and the person equals to 13.2 meter. So this is given. Now angle of elevation is equals to 45 degree. So now this is the top of the palm tree. Now you observe here, this is 45 degrees angle, this is the opposite side of angle, this is adjacent side of the angle. Now take tan ratio. Tan 45 degree equals to opposite side x by adjacent 13.2. Now tan 45 equal to 1. Here tan 45 degree equals to 1. Now x by 13.2. From this x equal to 13.2 meter. Therefore, the total height of palm tree is here x plus 1.8 meter. So that equal to 13.2 plus 1.8. Here 13.2 1.8. Here 0 5 1. So that equal to 15 meter. So this is the total height of the palm tree. 1.8 plus x. X is nothing but here 13.2 meter. So this is the ninth solution. Now last problem in 12.1 exercise. In the adjacent figure, AC equal to 6 centimeter, AB equal to 5 centimeter, and angle BAC equals to 30 degrees. Now find the area of the triangle. Now once observe the given figure. Actually here this is the right angle. Now this is angle 30. This is opposite side of angle. Opposite side. Now in this one, this is the hypotenuse. In solution given angle BAC equals to 30 degrees. Now AB equals to 5 centimeter, AC equals to 6 centimeter given. Now BC equals to, you have to find out BC now. Now take sine ratio. Sine 30 degree equals to, here this is the opposite side of 30 degrees, BC, by hypotenuse is AC, 6 centimeter. So that is 6. Now what is the value of sine 30? Now 1 by 2 equals to BC by 6. Okay. Now BC equals to 6 by 2. 2 1 the, 2 3 the. So BC equals to 3 centimeter. Now got BC equal to 6 centimeter. BC equal to 3 centimeter. Now from the problem find the area of the triangle. Now In this one, BC is base, AB is height. Now what is the formula for area of triangle? Area of triangle ABC equals to half into base into height. Now substitute the base and height in this equation. Half into, here base is BC into height is AB. Now substitute the values. Half into BC 3 into AB 5, that equal to 15 by 2 or 7.5 square centimeter. So this is the area of triangle ABC. So this is the last problem in 12.1 exercise.